Are you wondering how to quickly check your Cash App balance? Stick with me until the end because I'll walk you through the easiest way to do it, step by step, and share what to do if you can't log in. The fastest and most reliable way to check your Cash App balance is right inside the mobile app. If you don't already have the app, simply go to the App Store on iPhone or Play Store on Android, search for Cash App, and tap Install. Once it's installed, open the app and either log into your existing account or create a new one if this is your first time. Once you're logged in, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a little bank icon. Tap that icon and your current Cash App balance will be displayed right at the top. If you have a Cash App card, this is the same balance you can spend anywhere Visa is accepted. And if you use Cash App to buy Bitcoin, your Bitcoin balance will also be visible here. Now, what if you can't sign in? Cash App does have a phone support line. You can call 800-969-1940 Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Time. A representative can help you check your balance and get back into your account, but this should be your backup option since the app is much faster and easier. That's it. Checking your balance on Cash App takes just a few seconds once you're logged in. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. And as always, drop a comment if you have any questions about Cash App. I'd love to help.